Charleston White is a well-known personality in the United States, with a reputation that precedes him. One of the things that people are most curious about when it comes to him is his net worth. Charleston White's net worth is a topic that's been discussed extensively in various circles, with many people wondering just how much he is worth. Born in 1978, Charleston White has had an interesting life, to say the least. From growing up in poverty to spending time in prison, he has overcome many challenges to become the successful entrepreneur and motivational speaker that he is today. His net worth is a testament to his hard work and dedication, and it's something that many people are curious about. Charleston White's net worth. Charleston White is a controversial figure who gained notoriety for his outspoken views on social issues. He is also known for his business ventures and has made a name for himself in the entertainment industry. As of 2023, his net worth is estimated to be around $5 million. White's wealth comes from various sources, including his successful clothing line, book sales, and appearances on reality TV shows. He is also known to be a savvy investor with a portfolio that includes stocks, real estate, and cryptocurrency. Despite his wealth, White is known for his philanthropic efforts and has donated to various charities over the years. He has also been vocal about his desire to help others and has used his platform to raise awareness about important social issues. In addition to his net worth, White is also known for his luxurious lifestyle. He owns several houses, including a mansion in Beverly Hills and a vacation home in the Caribbean. He is also known to drive expensive cars and often flaunts his wealth on social media. Overall, Charleston White's net worth is a testament to his hard work and dedication to his various business ventures. While his controversial views have garnered criticism, there is no denying that he has achieved significant success in his career, early life, and education. Charleston White was born and raised in Texas, where he spent most of his childhood. Growing up, he had a close relationship with his father, who instilled in him the importance of education and hard work. After completing his high school education at a state school in Texas, Charleston White went on to attend Texas Wesleyan University. He graduated from the university with a degree in business administration. During his time at the Texas University, Charleston White was involved in various extracurricular activities and was an active member of the university community. Overall, Charleston White's early life and education played a significant role in shaping the person he is today. His father's emphasis on education and hard work, coupled with his own determination and drive, helped him achieve his goals and set him on the path to success. Criminal history and transformation. Charleston White has a criminal past that includes drug trafficking, robbery, and murder. He spent several years in prison and was even a gang leader at one point in his life. During his time in prison, White decided to turn his life around. He started reading books and educating himself about the criminal justice system. He realized that his criminal activities were hurting not only himself, but also his family and community. After he was released from prison, White made a conscious effort to stay away from the life of crime. He started speaking to youth groups and sharing his story, hoping to prevent others from making the same mistakes he did. Despite his criminal past, White became an advocate for criminal justice reform. He believes that the system needs to change to help those who have been incarcerated to successfully reintegrate back into society. White's transformation is a testament to the power of second chances. While he cannot change his past, he is using his experiences to make a positive impact on others. Charleston White's career. Charleston White is an American entrepreneur, CEO, motivational speaker, and media personality. He is the CEO of Hype Youth Outreach, a nonprofit organization that helps young people excel in life. White is also known for his YouTube channel, The Real Charleston White, where he shares motivational speeches, comedy shows, and other content. He has gained popularity on social media for his unique style and personality. As a motivational speaker, White has inspired many people to achieve their goals and overcome their challenges. He has also worked with various organizations to promote education, entrepreneurship, and community development. Aside from his work as a motivational speaker, White is also a model and content creator. He has appeared in various magazines and fashion shows and has collaborated with other YouTubers and social media influencers. Overall, Charleston White's career has been marked by his dedication to helping others and his commitment to success. He has become a well-known figure in the media industry, and his influence continues to grow. Personal life. Charleston White is a married man and a father of 2 children. However, he has not disclosed the name of his wife or any other details about his family. In his interviews and social media posts, Charleston White has talked about his past relationships and experiences. He has shared that he has been in several relationships in the past, but he prefers to keep his personal life private. Charleston White has also talked about his experience growing up in a single-parent household and how it has influenced his life and perspective. He has mentioned that his mother was a strong influence in his life and taught him important values such as hard work and determination. Overall, Charleston White has been private about his personal life and relationships, preferring to focus on his career and advocacy work. Social media presence. Charleston White has a significant presence on social media platforms, including Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. He has built a large following on these platforms where he shares his thoughts, opinions, and experiences with his followers. On Twitter, Charleston White has over 100,000 followers, where he frequently tweets about his views on various topics, including politics, race, and social issues. He uses his platforms to engage with various followers and share his perspective on current events. Similarly, on Instagram, Charleston White has a large following of over 200,000 followers. He frequently posts pictures and videos of himself, as well as motivational quotes and messages. He uses his platform to connect with his followers and share his thoughts and experiences. Charleston White is also active on Facebook, where he has a significant following of over 50,000 followers. He uses his platform to share his opinions and engage with his followers on various topics. Finally, Charleston White has a YouTube channel where he posts videos on a range of topics, including his personal experiences, social issues, and current events. He has over 100,000 subscribers on his channel and is considered a social media influencer. Overall, Charleston White has a strong social media presence, with a large following on multiple platforms. He uses his platforms to engage with his followers and share his thoughts and experiences on various topics. Charleston White is a man with many future plans and aspirations. He has already accomplished a lot in his career as an entrepreneur, author, and motivational speaker. However, he is not content to rest on his laurels and is always looking for ways to challenge himself and grow. One of Charleston's most exciting future plans is to launch his own clothing line. He has always been passionate about fashion and sees this as an opportunity to express his creativity and style. He has already begun working on designs and hopes to have the line available to the public in the near future. In addition to his fashion aspirations, Charleston also has his sights set on careers in acting. He has already made a name for himself as a celebrity and believes that his unique perspective and life experiences would make him a valuable addition to his entertainment industry. He is currently exploring opportunities and hopes to land a role in a major film or television production soon. Looking even further into the future, Charleston has expressed interest in expanding his brand to Australia. He sees the country as a market with great potential and believes that his message of positivity and self-improvement could resonate with the people there. He is currently in the early stages of exploring this possibility and is excited about the potential opportunities it could bring. Overall, Charleston White is a driven and ambitious individual with clear visions for his future. Whether it's through fashion, acting, or expanding his brand to new markets, he's always looking for ways to grow and make a positive impact.